So from the vault.
Okay, so I'm working on some more hardware.
Yeah. We've got some top secret stuff.
Including
So
some
first up,
eyes.
I see what you're doing there.
This is some eyes.
I
So I
don't
actually got
know.
these boards back so I can show them
Oh,
off.
cool.
I haven't brought them up because I just put
Yeah,
them
you're working on
together.
it. Okay, cool.
Or we put them together. But there'll be 2 eyes,
Yeah.
2 displays, and then this is the design of the eyes.
Okay.
So it's got these like whiskery things going on here.
Yeah, we don't
Cool
have,
stuff.
It's not out yet, don't ask. Okay, next up.
Next up, we also have a ruler. This is an update to a ruler. This time it's a smart ruler. It runs Python.
Python
It's a
rules.
Python ruler.
Yeah, do you want to show it?
Yeah.
Don't
So
see
here
it.
you go, purple. It's going to be gold in the end, but for prototypes, it's hard to get gold, so I
Yeah.
got silver. Although silver looks kind of nice too. And so you've got all the standard ruler accoutrements, centimeters and decimal inches, because people have asked for decimal inches. And it's got a trinket and 0 built into it.
You got anything else?
That's what I got.
Okay, back in the vault.
Back in the vault.
All right.